What's up guys, Bandit Trader here, and today I'm bringing you guys another video. In today's video I'm going to be talking about Tastyworks. I'm going to start a Tastyworks account challenge. We're going to see how far I can take an account. So far I have about like a week with Tastyworks. I'm relatively new to the strategy that I'm going to just be selling naked puts. And so far in like the week I'm up almost 500. So if you guys are interested in seeing my journey with Tastyworks, make sure you guys subscribe, like the video. I'll be showing pretty much everything, just going to be transparent as possible. And I'm going to try and do some live trades for you guys. So far, the positions I have are these. ARC, Disney, JD, Nike, Viacom. And so far, these are how it's the P&L open. Right here, how much remaining of potential I can have, and how many days of expiration, and my probability of profit. So pretty high probabilities. This is how much cash I don't know if you could see. I could show you. This is how much cash requirement it takes right here with ARC, etc., etc. Okay, so we're gonna try and trade some earnings. So I want to trade Alta. They're gonna have earnings, let me see, pretty soon here. So right now the IV rank is pretty high, so we're gonna see earnings comes out on 27th. So we're gonna try and see if we can have a trade here. On here, 21 days of expiration. Typically want to do about 45, but for here we're just going to try and trade the earnings, so I don't think I have to go too far. Probability of profit at 85, which is pretty decent. It's gonna, and let's see, so we're going to take this trade. I'm 5. So let's review this. And for this trade, it's going to cost me my buying power to be about 2,000 or so. But I'm going to get 335 from it. So we're going to send. And then once hopefully it fills on there. But we have it, we sent out the order, and then it'll show if it fills or not. Then we're going to keep going down the line. Let's see. We're going to same thing, go. What I'm looking here is I really want a high probability trade. So let's see. On here, we get 155 for it. Probabilities at 84. So really high probability. I'm going to try and get this at 155. So review, and we're gonna send, and we'll wait to see this, and then we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. Let's see, Dollar Tree. And then we're going to go a little bit higher. We're going to go to 140 here. So just to give you like a rundown of what you see on the screen, it's pretty much the distribution. So theoretically, the price should end up somewhere in this area. So our chances of profit are from here to there. So if, let's say Dollar Tree goes higher, we're going to we're gonna make profit on it. If it stays in the middle, doesn't do anything, we'll make profit. If it goes slightly against us, we're gonna also make profit. So that's why I really like this this strategy. There's just so much edge built into it. It's just pretty much statistics. You can see here 81% probability. This is 86% that it goes to 50% to our profit. So if we want to take the trade, let's say half of our credit, we can get out for half of this. There's an 86% chance that we do that, or that would happen. So I'm gonna try and take this, review it, send, and now we sent the order. So now we're just gonna wait to see if we get that. We can also look at Best Buy. So far we saw really strong retail numbers from like Foot Locker, so we might see a continuation with all the other retailers. So we're going to take a look at Best Buy. And Best Buy, let's see. Best Buy, 80%. We collect like $1. And for these trades, just because they take up a little bit more capital than I'm used to, I kind of just want to reach the 50%. And in most cases, you want to reach the 50% and just redeploy your capital into other positions. So I'm going to try and get the middle of here. This is Best Buy. We're going to send. Sent. And now we're going to see activity. This is what I have so far. As you can see here, I did play the Foot Locker earnings. If we see here, and they actually did really good on the earnings here, and this bounced right off. And for me, as you can see here, I collected $274, 274, and then I bought them back because there's no reason to hold them. So 274 minus 30, this is what I got. So that's how much I made. It didn't take that long. It was about a day. I held them for a day, so that was a pretty good trade so far. And this is the current position I have. So yeah, pretty much just gonna wait for the positions to hit or not. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick rundown of my trading. So you guys are interested in this type of trading, make sure you guys like. I'm gonna try and post at least like maybe once a week for like an update, but I'm gonna be trying to post consistently to see how much I can move this Tastyworks account. So far I'm up 486, and I'm just gonna keep posting and see how the trade goes. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a good one. Take care.